Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on TikTok profile views. Open TikTok. Now tap the person icon located on the lower right part of your screen. That's your profile. Then you will be routed on this page. Once you're on this page, on the upper right part of your screen, you'll see an eye icon. That's your profile views icon. Tap on that. In here, you'll see brief information on what will happen to your TikTok once you turn on the profile view history. Make sure to thoroughly read this before you turn on the profile view history. Once you've done reading it, turn it on. And then TikTok will show you who visited or viewed your profile within the last 30 days. You'll have an option to follow them or message them. Now, if it happens that you change your mind, you just need to press the gear icon on the upper right part and then turn off profile view history. And that's how to turn on TikTok profile views. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.